Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Umentri rangba gejala konrad ke sangma uloong bagi don bun teli gidaw ki bapelong igi MDC galiang sinsyar Garo Hills Autonomous District Council bandawa pelong ke dorbar ke bekerpang manweng ye Chief Executive Member Benedict Marak hagaba ulat gejala ula betha banlum ke dorbar banyatai halor ke jingdu jingshania CEM lani ke no confidence motion. Konrad uloong bagi kendon ki bahab ban bot kat kum gariti sensyar patba dei ban pendep ban nagaliang ke sorga jela kam tuklar bat kamla hiru pan tuklar uloong ban alor ke jing pentip bagi don kendai ngut ki executive member ki bala ino kam katanat district council affairs kalayo pediang ru ki city now chairman ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council bat kat kum gade ki city bala soy di ki MDC ki bala kerpat ban pelong ke dorbar bekerpang ban yatai halor kamat baladu jishania hau CEM hagaba nagaliang jo CEM ru uhap ni ke jingbon pat bat baudang yo ke jishania nagi MDC kadorbar bekerpang ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kan long asi sajan kar phulai terik ukalaling kot arjar arpuar hagapor khatwe wujin step.
So in the JTDC, we had got to receive the letter from the chairman as well as from different members regarding the resignation of 9 EMs, and at the same time we'd also got a note for asking for a special session and no confidence motion against the CEM. And based on those letters that have come in, the matter was referred to the governor, and governor, based on his power under para 36(5), has gone ahead and asked for the special session to be called where the no confidence motion will be held and the CEM will have to prove his majority. There are multiple aspects to it, and so therefore it could be anything, but as I said, now let the democratic process follow, and really we have always maintained that we try to stay away from the interference of any kind in the district councils, and we still maintain that even now.